Hey guys, it's MMA and I'm back with another video. I am on a rolling chair because I tried to record this intro 3 times already and my phone kept falling. So, this is what we have to deal with. As you guys can see, what is it saying? As you guys can see with the title of the video, I'm going to be recreating a recipe that my mother and I found on Facebook. Now, it is New Year's Eve and we're having a family dinner for the last time before I leave to go back to New York, and my mom and I a while ago saw this really cool, easy, delicious looking recipe on Facebook. Roll tape. Saw it and we were like, wow, that looks easy, wow, that looks delicious, why don't we make it? We're going to make the video you just saw, recreate it, and we're going to hope that it is as delicious as it says it is and as easy as it says it is. Let's get to the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and let's go. I got stuck.
We need a pound of shrimp.
So we have a 2 pound of shrimp, so we're gonna half that. Lime in a juicer. Just cut it in half.
Yep. And then go ahead and juice it.
Okay.
When you're done all that, you can bring it over here to the brine. Look at the next ingredient. I think it's cumin, and which is up in that cabinet over there. And it's over where all the spices are. Right there.
Kuma and cilantro.
We didn't have fresh cilantro, so I got it on the side there, on your right. 2 things down. 1, 2. There you go. Right on your left there. Look at it. 2 down. Now look to your left. There you go.
That was so complicated. Cloves of garlic.
If you pound it on, turn it upside down and just push down on it. And then you can use your finger and separate it.
So I'm in the process of editing this video and I did not realize how terrible I am when somebody gives me directions. I'm so sorry, Mother. And so
Go ahead and put 2. Okay.
smells good.
Go ahead and cut the ends off and take the skin off.
Maybe you should do that.
That's right.
I don't know. Not the biggest.
2 pinches of that. Oh, you're supposed to grind it with your fingers.
Good. Ooh, fancy. This is weird to stir.
What?
I said I cannot cook. That's why you're here.
You know how to cut it?
Or just wait. Yeah.
Oh, you cut it the wrong way.
Did I?
Yeah, that's okay. Hopefully we'll be able to get it.
You're welcome. I'm not the only one making a mess today. So, when I was in the Philippines, I got this shirt, and I got it for Lily, and I was supposed to give it to her for like a month and a half ago, but I completely forgot, so I wrapped it as a Christmas present. But it's adorable.
No, I'd cut it this way. No.
This way?
Yeah.
That's why I don't cook.
For a good splash.
There's the actual chef right here. This beauty. Then why I cannot cook or don't cook, because I just cannot do it right.
Okay.
The sister takes over. She comes to me and she's like, "Can I start stirring?" And I said, "Sure. Go for it." I guess I'm really not the cook around here, but it's okay. I tried. And there she goes again. Want me to do it?
I'm good.
Okay. I have nothing to do. Lily took over my job.
I'm gonna fill it and then put some. Like quite a few, I think.
So now we're gonna go over here. Did you cut this more?
Yes.
I'm gonna get the big pieces. Ooh, this looks delicious. It most definitely does not look like the actual video, does it? But we'll see. We also did not have the sauce, but it's okay. Okay, now we're gonna try it. I think you just grab it like this, right? In the video, it doesn't actually show anybody eating it, does it? Ready? Set.
Mmm. Very good.
Actually pretty good.
Shrimp with avocado
Yeah.
on a piece of lettuce.
Yes.
And it's like, what is it called? A taco shrimp veggie? Sure.
I really don't know.
Pretty good.
What do you?
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was
It
it-
has a lot of lime in it though.
Will you make it
Like I can taste it. I would make it again, definitely.
So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. We totally made an awesome dinner for the family. But don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Bye guys.
Bye.